Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Canva app and loading the design you'll edit. This gets you straight into the canvas. Once the file is open, tap the specific text box you want to change so handles and the floating toolbar appear. Make sure to use the handles to position and size the text before editing. This prevents layout shifts later. Then, tap the font button to preview typefaces. You're doing this now so styling decisions won't break the composition later. Now you change the copy itself. Type or paste your new text directly into the text box and watch how spacing shifts. After that, tweak font weight and size so the hierarchy reads correctly. Increase letter spacing or line height if lines feel cramped. Once the layout is stable, apply color and transparency to match your palette, then test effects such as shadow or curve to improve legibility. Make sure to preview at 100% to finish by exporting with the right settings. Choose PNG for web or JPG to save space, and PDF for printable files. Double-check dimensions and bleed if needed. Once satisfied, lock the text layer or group it with nearby elements so you don't move things by mistake. If something goes wrong, text shifts, font swaps, or spacing breaks, undo recent steps, reset the font to your original choice, or re-enter the text box to reapply spacing. That usually resolves layout glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.